Lego.
Looking up, there's always sky. Rest your head, I'll take you high. We won't fade into darkness, won't let you fade into darkness. Why worry now? You'll be safe. Hold my hand, just in case. And we won't fade into darkness, fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness, fade into This world can seem cold and gray, but you and I are here today. And we won't fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness. Nothing to fear, but fear is still. We'll be okay, just keep the faith. And we won't fade into darkness, fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness, fade into
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. I have to say this spread turned out so cool. Even though it is fairly similar to next week, it does have its moments. I love dark purples and dark blues in this kit. It just speaks to my more Moonchild vibe because I love stars. That's why I had to use the rewrite the stars quote again. I think I used it earlier this year in like that Northern Lights kit that I did. Oh, I used the exact same quote. I thought I wrote rewrite the stars for this one, but I did say rewrite the stars to me, so I use the exact same quote. But you know what, it's fine because it really works with this spread too, especially this spread because it's more coupley, like the vampire or something couple up here that's featured in the spread. I feel like it definitely goes with this kit. So what do you think? Tell me in a comment down below what your favorite part is, and next week you'll get shout out in the video. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we're continuing with magical kits, and this week is going to be super magical because we're going to be using a Disney villains kit from the Glam Planner. This was her September subscription, so I'm sorry if you haven't gotten your September subscription yet, but I think by this point you should have it. If you don't, email out. But this is like totally works within the magic theme because Disney is magical, and most of the Disney villains have some magic of their own. Maleficent has her magic, Evil Queen has her magic, Cruella de Vil is just crazy, and then you got Ursula, you know she magic. Look at this magic mirror, look at that, she's actually this but she looks like that. That is magic right there. So perfect kit to use for October. So if you're interested in seeing what I do with this kit and checking out my plan with me, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. We have a lot of fun here and there's a lot more content coming soon, so I would totally subscribe to see what's coming up next, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I tease what's coming up next on there. But until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!